in just a word.
Thank you, Waziri. Your Excellency the President, all protocols observed, and our candidates, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mine is just to wish you all the best in your exams, beginning today all the way to Wednesday. And you know I've been here before, isn't it?
Yes.
And we agreed you are passing.
Yes.
Because you have no other choice. Yes. Your Excellency, I began my schooling here many years ago, before all these people except yourself and myself were born in this class, this grade 1 class here, and I finished off in class 8 South, the second last class in 1990. Therefore, Your Excellency, karibu sana Kikuyu, na uweze kuongea na hawa watoto, na we wish you all the best, watoto wetu. Do your best. We agreed all the boys are going to the Alliance High School, isn't it? Yes. And all the girls to the Alliance Girls. Yes. And a few others to Loreto, a few others to Kenya High. Yes. Sindio? Yes. All the best.
Your Excellency, we also recognize the presence of the area MCA, and my officers are here, your officers are here. The CEO, Teacher Service Commission, Nancy Macharia, is here with us.